My name is Ankit Ramesh Giram. I am in 5th Cyprus. I am telling about fractions. When a whole part is divided into equal parts, each equal part is called fractions. Fraction is hard to understand, but I will tell in simple way. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. This is the 1/4 part of the circle. This is the half part of the circle. This is 3/4 part of the circle, and this is the whole circle. This circle is divided into 8 equal parts. This is 1/8 part of the circle. This is 2/8 part of the circle. This is 3/8 part of the circle. This is 4/8 part of the circle. This is 5/8 part of the circle. This is 6/8 part of the circle. This is 7/8 part of the circle, and this is the whole circle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I Devina Sawle of class 5th Cyprus is here to tell you about money. If cost price is greater than the selling price, we will get loss. And if selling price is greater than the cost price, we will get profit. So here I will tell you the formulas of cost price and selling price. Selling price. Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price, and cost price minus loss is equal to also selling price. Now, I will tell you the formula of cost price. Selling price minus profit is equal to cost price, and selling price plus loss is equal to also cost price. Thank you.
My name is Himanshu Ashok Gaikwad. Today I am here to show you my maths model. My maths model is on shapes. Shapes are of two different types. One is 2D shape and one is 3D shape. 2D shape means two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes have length and breadth, and three-dimensional shapes have length, breadth and height. These are three-dimensional shapes. First one comes cube. Cubes have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Examples of cubes are ice and dice. Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Examples of cuboid are rectangular box and pencil box. Cone. Cone have 1 edge, two faces and it has no vertices. Cylinder. Examples of cones are ice cream cone and birthday cap. Cylinder. Cylinder have 2 edges, 2 flat surface and 1 curved surface. It has no vertices. Examples of cylinder are gas cylinder and pencil. Square. Square have all 4 equal sides. It has 4 vertices. Rectangle have opposite equal sides and it has 4 vertices. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Circle has no vertices. This was my maths model. Thank you.
I, Swarit Malik from 5th Cyprus. Today is maths exhibition. I have made the conversion of temperature. Temperature is the measurement of how the object is cold or hot. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Thermometer has two scales, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now I am going to show you how to convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. First, we have to multiply with 9 by 5 and add 32 to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. And if you want to convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, we have to subtract 32 and multiply with 5 by 9. Thank you.